Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Big Style TV. You don't know this is a boy Big Style. So you're not, how you all doing? If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. Yeah, I see one video I circulate about 5 most dangerous fruit in the Caribbean where you know to eat. I don't know about that video there, you know. I don't know about all I can say. These 5 fruit are where we grew up on. Mango. No mango in the world no better than our mango in the Caribbean. No pear in the world, avocado in the world, no better than our avocado. Our butterbelly pear. When we are eat mango, we eat it by the dozen. When we are eat pear and bulla, we eat it by the dozen. When we are eat our sour sap, sweet sap, we eat it by the dozen. When we are eat our star fruit, we eat that by the dozen. So this video I tell us say kill much people. That's why me I telling us say be careful of these genetic modified food. These things will kill you. Don't come blame our Caribbean fruits because our fruits is #1, is the best. It's real. You're deaf.